We are modifying the iPhone with another service. Inside there are some stains, dirt.
By the way, there's cheap waterproof adhesive. It's like plastic, it doesn't stretch. Also, the display says unknown part because this chip needed to be transferred. Here, the display frame is peeling off. We will now reattach it using our technology with our adhesive. So the plastic retainer immediately came off along with the mesh. The mesh should first be glued here to the glass, and then this plastic should be glued to the mesh and the glass so that water entering the speaker doesn't get into the phone, but only into the speaker. I bet that service glued the plastic frame with regular B7000 glue, which is why it will come off very easily now. Now we need to transfer this microchip so there won't be an unknown part in the settings. It turned out that there is some kind of Chinese sensor here and its microchip is different, it doesn't fit, so we won't be able to install the original microchip here. Therefore, we will now redo the display, install a proper sensor, an original one. As far as this sounds, so we remove the sensor and see that this is the worst, most terrible sensor possible. And now we will install our good original sensor. The only thing worse than this sensor might be a guy splitting the bill at a restaurant with a girl.
Did you learn? Go ahead and subscribe to me. Every day I will post a recipe for delicious Chinese food.
No bubbles. Checking the sensor after gluing. So here are the correct microchips. See these pads?
Why did he file it down instead of just soldering it?
Nice balls. So we installed the original microchip. Here is the frame. Now we will glue it.
Hot polyurethane glue requiring baking technology. To prevent the phone from freaking out after the first rain, we glue the speaker mesh with polyurethane glue, not with this double-sided tape that comes from China in the kit. We take out new dust-proof rings. So fucking good. We also install a new moisture-proof membrane for the front microphone.
Preparing the case for assembly.
To enhance the waterproof sealing properties, we use special nail polish. What should the original waterproof sealing on an iPhone be like? It's not like plastic, you see? It stretches. There. Elastic, soft, it fills all the small gaps in the case. But if your adhesive is like the one these guys used, this hard one, it just sits on all the uneven surfaces. And as a result, after the first rain, water gets in right away.
The message about the screen is gone. True tone is in place. You see, without it, the screen is bluer. Is that so?
Hello, James. Just need to put this phone in the press so it grabs properly. Ha 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 ha. And if you don't want to kiss a cow's rear, please talk to Stanisla, and this won't happen again.